How to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. So if you want to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord, then first you need to open up your browser and then just go with your Discord. Make sure that you've logged into your Discord. Once you're in your Discord, now you just need to simply go with the settings, which is on the bottom left. Under settings, you need to go with data and privacy, or you can go with content and social. Now from here, you may have an option of allow direct messages from everyone. So under friend request, make sure that you allow it from everyone. And under direct messages, make sure that you allow the DMs from other server members. So make sure this is turned on. And the message requests are also turned on your social permissions. And go with messages and server channels. You need to go with show. And after turning these on, you will be able to turn on your DM for everyone on Discord. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.